Imagine one fruit tree with multiple varieties of the same fruit on one tree, and that could possibly give you fruit year round if you graft it to perfection. Let me show you what I mean by that. So we got many cuttings of avocado, but we did some butter grafts right there on this bacon. On all our avocados, we grafted 4 different varieties: Jam Boys, Helen, Gem, and the Ball. On every single one of our avocados, and they're both A and B type flowers, so they complement each other. So let me show you guys over here. Over here we have our Haas, and you can see that I did cleft graft right here, double cleft graft. Helen and Gem, A and B type flowers right here. Now I'm experimenting. They might take, they might not, but I'm gonna keep trying. Now let me tell you why you need to graft multiple varieties on your fruit trees. If you do your research, you can find different types of fruit that fruit or ripen throughout the whole year. You find out which of those varieties grow best in your zone. And for example, you have an avocado tree. You find a bunch of avocados from California that grow in different seasons, that give you fruit in different seasons, which extends your harvest. That's the goal here. Now, I don't remember which seasons these harvest, but I'm gonna graft more of these avocados. Now, the fun thing about grafting is it's surgery on your tree. And I'm learning all of this right now. So once I perfect it, I'll make videos showing you guys how to graft. But trial and error is how you learn. And grafting in different seasons, seeing which seasons they take best, is exactly how you learn. So don't be afraid to graft whenever. That's my opinion. Everybody has different opinions. Now see, there's a bunch of wicked different types of cleft grafts I did. We have multiple citrus on our citrus trees now, and we're getting more grafts in. We're gonna have different blood oranges, we're gonna have different lemons, we're gonna have some limes, some kumquats. It's gonna be the full package. Even finger lime, which is pretty crazy and rare. But all of our fruit trees, or at least as much as I can, they're gonna be multi-grafted. So just imagine a citrus tree, an orange tree, for example, with multiple orange varieties and blood orange varieties. My mandarin with multiple mandarin varieties. My lemon with different limes and lemon and oranges. You could do it all. Be creative. Do what your heart tells you in gardening. Don't be afraid to try new things. Don't be afraid to air layer, to graft. Trial and error is how you learn. Eventually, these mangoes will be grafted onto. I know they're grafted already, but they will be multi-grafted mangoes. Even my black zapote will be multi-grafted. When you're crazy or into extreme gardening like I am, you want to look at how to invest in your fruit trees, how to use them to have year-round harvest. This is a great way to invest on your fruit trees. If you have trees already established, graft varieties onto them. Learn how to graft. But just imagine 5 varieties of avocado or even more growing on the same tree, giving you fruit different times a year. That's the goal right there for all or most of my fruit trees. Anyways, I have so much on my mind, but I'm going to cut it off right here because I don't want this video to be too long. I appreciate you guys for the support. God bless you guys.